Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the RSI Martingale Expert Advisor. It's an EA that combines RSI-based entries with a controlled grid recovery system. And unlike a lot of EAs that we cover, this one is upfront about being Martingale-based, right in the name. Okay, so a quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. All right, so with respect to the platform confirmation, RSI Martingale is built for MetaTrader 5. Let's just walk through the marketplace page from the top, okay? It is developed by Sui Pong Lee, and it's currently in version 1.0 with 20 activations. It is priced at 690 US dollars. The page describes it as, specifically as an RSI Martingale grid strategy optimized for netting accounts. Okay, so according to the description, the initial entry comes from the RSI indicator. A buy order triggers when RSI crosses into the oversold zone, and a sell order triggers when it crosses into overbought. Okay. From there, if price moves against that initial trade by a predefined grid distance, the EA starts a martingale sequence. So instead of a straightforward multiplier that can cause lot sizes to balloon, it uses a predefined array to scale lot sizes up step by step. And it is restricted to opening a maximum of one position per candlestick bar to avoid duplicate entries on the same tick. Okay, so on managing the basket, the page explains that because this is built for netting accounts, all positions get automatically consolidated into a single running position with a dynamic average entry price. All right, so the EA tracks the combined net profit of that whole position, and once it reaches the configured take profit target in account currency, the entire position closes at once and the grid resets back to zero. Now, let us head over to our historical testing, but before that, let's just briefly see what is displayed here for us on the marketplace page. All right. Okay, so it is actually delaying. The image seems to be refusing to come up. Let's just head over to our back test. There seems to be an issue with the network. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let's see. So based on what we have here, this is showing us account stats. This is the growth that was recorded, 13.58% growth. We can see here the profits, the deposits, and all of that. Okay, I'm seeing May, from May, it seems to be from May 31st to June 25th. So that is close to a month, about 13.58% growth. Let's head over to our strategy tester now, shall we? And I ran this test on a $10,000 account. Of course, I used gold and I used the H1 time frame for this particular test, covering January through July 2026. That is about 7 months. The total net result for that period was a loss of $253.82. It is close to break even, but negative. Now, here is where the numbers get genuinely interesting, though. The gross profit was a whole $8,382.69 against a gross loss of $8,636.51, giving a profit factor of 0.97, essentially even. Okay, the maximum balance drawdown was 8.11%, while equity drawdown reached nearly 17%. That gap is exactly what you'd expect from a grid and martingale system, where floating exposure, while the grid is active, runs meaningfully higher than the realized closed out numbers show. So out of 1,164 total trades, close to 72% were profitable. All right. And here is the part worth sitting with, though. Despite that strong 72% win rate, the largest single winning trade in this test was only about $32. You can see just a little below $32, while the largest single losing trade was $229.2, over 7 times bigger. So that is the classic signature of a basket take profits grid system. You get a long run of small quick wins as the grid resets at its target, but the trades that don't resolve quickly can accumulate into a single much larger loss once that basket finally closes. So it's a big part of why a 72% win rate here still ended up close to break even rather than rather than clearly profitable. All right, so to wrap up, based on the available information, RSI Martingale's historical testing shows exactly the pattern that you'd expect from a grid and martingale based approach. Frequent small wins offset by occasional much larger losses, netting out close to even over this period, this particular period. The developer is upfront that this is a martingale grid system built for netting accounts, so that risk profile shouldn't come as a surprise, but it is still worth weighing carefully against your own risk tolerance and account size. I'm going to recommend testing your own grid distance and lot scaling settings across different periods, and forward testing on demo, since how deep that floating drawdown can go will depend heavily on how those specific settings are configured. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.